Aquarius, hi, welcome to the Yellow Mandala. Here we view stories of your past, present, and the immediate future. And this is based on tarot, Indian mythologies, and mysticism. If this really resonates with you, please hit that like and subscribe button. And let's get started to see your December weeklies. So, how's Aquarius? Your recent past has a hermit mode. Your current present is justice. Your advice to your present is Knight of Wands. Your immediate future is the Ten of Coins, and the overall energy is Two of Coins. Alright. Aquarius, it makes sense because I think one of your previous readings had this concept of expecting to receive wedding bells or commitment. Sorry if I'm sounding a bit low today, I'm just not keeping well. In the recent past, you had a Hermit card. It makes absolute sense because most of the Aquarians are recuperating from some sort of a heartbreak. Someone wronged you, and you're expecting some sort of a justice in a situation. Maybe they left communication like abruptly. Maybe you're speaking one day and then all of a sudden they just disappeared. Maybe you were on a video call and then the video call got cut and then that person never returned back, and it's been 3 months now and then nothing. But then I feel that you're in your element and then you're not chasing after them because you feel that, hey, I'm this empress. Because Aquarians, let's just be honest, irrespective of gender, all of us feel that we're all empress in our own ways, right? But once you realize that you don't have to chase someone, that's when you attract love. And I feel that the universe has recognized that you have been wronged, and there will be justice in the situation very soon, because there is this Knight of Wands energy. I get the sense that this person's quite impulsive and a bit reckless. They're probably going to rush in just to clear their conscience. But I feel that in the immediate future there is going to be talks about a proper commitment that's settling down, leaving behind that legacy. And I feel that your person took a lot of time to realize what they actually want from this commitment or from communication with you, but which forced you to go inwards. You're like, oh my god, why am I just always meeting players, right? And maybe you did your spiritual practice, you look towards your own affirmations, manifestations, you did your chakra meditation. I mean whatever makes you happy, right? Gardening or going to a karaoke bar, or I don't know, driving cross country, but whatever gave you that peace of mind, you did that. And then right now you feel like you're on the end stage of that, feeling good about yourself. You're on the self-love stage, and there will be justice served soon. Maybe an apology from this person, and this person's in a lot of rush. But I should warn you, this person could, for some of you, this person could, just come forward only to have that another one night stand or whatever, because they're like, what, hey, Aquarius is all about, Aquarius is always there for me whenever I need. So don't be that booty call of theirs, all right, unless you're also looking for that particular thing. But if you think that you want this person to respect you, so maybe you don't accept them treating you less than what you deserve. In the immediate future, you really want to be with someone with whom you can leave a legacy. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. This weather is quite bad here. You really feel that you want to leave a legacy with your other half, and that's where your mind is headed, because right now you're done with all these players and someone's wronged you, right? So overall energy is Two of Cups, Two of Coins. Maybe you're still deciding whether you should let go of this connection or whether you want to move forward, but then you feel like you're energetically tied to them. And bottom of my deck, what you don't see coming is that this person's paused in their hurting. They're like, I can't hurt Aquarius anymore. I need to pause. I need to recuperate. I need to see where all have gone wrong. I need to approach Aquarius and give them the closure, give them that peace of mind. So this is where the energies are headed, because right now it feels like even though you're tied to them energetically, you're not able to let go, or you're not able to move on. It just feels like, somewhere deep down you feel excessively betrayed, right? Oh my god, these just fell out. I'm just going to take it. This is for the advice from the universe, but I'm going to again reshuffle the deck. You have Judgment card again. You have Judgment card, Seven of Cups, and Three of Wands. For me, I get a sense that some of you might be thinking this person's probably, being a player and going around town, visiting all these water holes and I don't know, spreading STDs or whatever. But then judgment is going to come soon. You have justice card and the judgment card. So universe is working in your favor. Whatever closure you're expecting is definitely going to come into your life. And whether like all the doubts you had about this person, I feel that a lot of secrets are going to be revealed. I don't necessarily see that. I mean, maybe a person could be like looking for a job, or they might be networking or whatever. Need not always have to be a player kind, but then you cannot dismiss that. But in a sense that your person realizes that they made a huge mistake, like the one from the movie Pretty Woman, where she goes back into the shop and she's like, big mistake, big mistake. So they have realized that they're in that stage, and they're gonna walk in and they're gonna apologize, and you're gonna be all with the shopping bags and say like, big mistake, you made a big huge mistake. I'm sorry, I forget what it is, probably because I'm on medicines and my mind can't think so too much, but this person realized that they have made a boo-boo. All right, so let's just get advice from the universe for you for this week. It's good, at least they've realized that what a douche bee they've been, right? Oral advice to Aquarius: the Hangman, the Two of Cups, the King of Swords. It's beautiful. So this person's currently, they're too scared to approach you. So they are thinking, what is the best way? They are strategizing and they're planning. I need to approach Aquarius in a logical manner, in a proper manner, because they recognize you as their other half. They have this immense love for you. So they're too scared to even make a move, but then because they realize that they made a huge, big mistake, right? So thinking of the right strategy, they're in the strategizing phase. It's like preparing a battle plan, because they know that you, Aquarian, are super strong with your guards up, with with all the weapons ready to charge at them if they come back, even with something less than what you deserve. So they're preparing that game plan so that they can approach you and offer you their love, or offer you the apologies. First let them apologize, and then you talk about where all they went wrong, and then you talk about how you can take this forward. All right, so that is a quick read. I'm sorry I had to keep it short this week. I'll see you the next week. Thank you so much, Aquarius. Bye.